In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to share sales content with users and teams in HubSpot so you can control who has access to your documents and keep everything organized and secure. Whether you're working with a growing sales team or just want to make sure the right people can view and use specific documents, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important settings. And if this video helps you out, be sure to like and subscribe for more simple HubSpot tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the top navigation bar. You'll want to click on Sales. From the drop-down menu, select Documents. This will take you to your Sales Documents library, where all of your uploaded content is stored. This includes PDFs, presentations, one-pagers, proposals, and any other sales enablement materials you've added to HubSpot. Now that you're in the Documents area, you'll see a list of all available sales documents. To share a specific document, hover your mouse over the document you want to manage. When you hover over it, additional options will appear on the right-hand side. Next, click on the Actions button. This opens a drop-down menu with several options related to that specific document. From this menu, select Manage Access. This is where you control who can view and use the document within your HubSpot account. Once you click on Manage Access, you'll see different sharing options. HubSpot allows you to choose between specific users, teams, or everyone. Let's quickly go over what each of these means so you can choose the right option for your situation. If you select specific users, you can manually choose individual people in your HubSpot account who should have access to this document. This is perfect if the content is relevant only to certain sales reps or managers. Simply search for their names and add them to the access list. If you choose teams, you can grant access to an entire team at once. This is especially useful if your HubSpot account is structured with multiple teams, such as sales, marketing, or customer success. Instead of adding users one by one, you can simply select the team, and everyone within that team will automatically have access. Finally, you can choose Everyone. This option makes the document accessible to all users in your HubSpot account. This is ideal for general sales collateral that every rep should be able to use, like pricing sheets, company overviews, or standard pitch decks. After selecting the appropriate option, make sure to save your changes. Once saved, your document access settings will update immediately. Anyone you've granted access to will now be able to view and use that document based on the permissions you selected. And that's it. That's exactly how you share sales content with users and teams in HubSpot. As you can see, the process is quick and gives you full control over who can access your documents. Taking a few moments to properly manage document permissions helps keep your sales process organized, secure, and efficient. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow HubSpot guides. I'll be posting more tutorials to help you get the most out of your CRM and sales tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.